Copy and paste in Excel, everyone uses it, but few truly master it. In this video, we're diving into 10 powerful paste special tricks that will transform the way you work with data. Fast, accurate, and efficient. Okay, let's get started and elevate your Excel skills. Trick 1. Paste values only. Formulas are the backbone of Excel, but sometimes you just want the result, not the formula. Say cell F2 shows 90,000 from a calculation. If you copy and paste it normally, the formula follows. To keep only the number, first copy F2. Then right-click on cell G2, where I want to paste it. Go to Paste Special. Select Values. And click OK. Now G2 holds just the static number, clean and formula-free. Trick 2. Paste formats only. Want consistent and professional formatting fast? Check this out. Cell D2 shows Emma Johnson's salary. Perfectly styled as currency with a $sign, commas, and no decimals. Instead of manually formatting every cell, copy D2. Select D3 to F6. Right-click and choose Paste Special. Click on Formats. And hit OK. Boom, your entire range now looks clean, consistent, and ready for reporting. Trick 3. Paste column widths. When you copy data and paste it elsewhere, Excel brings the content, but not the column widths. The result? Squished, messy data. To fix it, copy the original range again. Right-click the new spot. Choose Paste Special. Select Column Widths. And click OK. Boom, your layout is perfectly preserved. Trick 4. Instantly multiply without formulas. Need to give everyone a 10% raise without writing formulas? First, type 1.1 for a 10% increase in a blank cell. Then copy it. Now select your salary range, say D2 to D6. Right-click on the cell and go to Paste Special. Choose Paste as Values and Operation as Multiply. Finally click OK. And boom, every salary is updated by 10%, no formulas required. It's fast, clean, and perfect for bulk updates like raises, discounts, or adjustments. Trick 5. Transpose rows to columns. Need to turn a horizontal header into a vertical list? Simply copy header row A1 to F1. Now, right-click on a blank cell. Choose Paste Special. Select Transpose. And click OK. Excel flip your labels into a neat column, perfect for reshaping reports, building dashboards, or feeding data into a new layout. Trick 6. Paste comments only to share feedback without touching data. In collaborative Excel files, feedback often matters more than the data itself. Say you've added a comment in D2 like verify updated salary with HR, but want to reuse that note elsewhere without changing the actual numbers. First, copy the cell. Right-click on the target cell. Go to Paste Special. Select Comments. Now, click OK. The comment is pasted, no data touched. Trick 7. Instantly add values without formulas. Need to add a fixed amount across a range, like a 1,000 bonus to all salaries. First, type $1,000 in a blank cell. Copy it. Select your salary range D2 to D6. Right-click. Choose Paste Special. Select Add. And click OK. Each value increases instantly. No helper columns. No formulas. Trick 8. Skip blanks when pasting. Got partial updates in Excel, like salary changes for only some employees? Don't risk overwriting existing values with blanks. Just copy the update range. Select the original data. Right-click. Paste Special. Check Skip Blanks. Now click OK. And boom, only filled cells update, blanks are ignored. Smart, safe, and efficient. Trick 9. Keep reports dynamic with paste link. Need your Excel reports to update automatically when source data changes? Here's a quick, powerful trick. Say your employee compensation total is in cell F7. Instead of retyping or copying values manually, just copy F7. Go to your target cell. Right-click. Choose Paste Special. And click on Paste Link. Excel inserts a live formula, so your summary always reflects the latest data. Trick 10. Paste everything except borders. If you need the data and formatting, just not the borders. First, copy a formatted cell with borders. Go to Paste Special. Select all except borders. Now click OK. And done. There you have it, 10 awesome Paste Special tricks to save time, avoid errors, and boost your Excel power. Which trick was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you learned something new today, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with a fellow Excel nerd. See you in the next click.